God who made the birds, sea, sun, and the moon isn't somewhere far away. He is standing in the room. So let it scream, let it shout, let them know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving, don't leave a single doubt that today is the day that the Lord has created. Why would I sit around just waiting? Let's have a celebration. It's time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have a celebration. If you believe that Jesus set you free.
Ano po ang Airbnb ni Enzo?
Look guys, I'm in
Nice.
Good. Daddy, look, it's very good.
Good. Diba, naka-Airbnb, nanonood ng Blippi. Enzo. Enzo. What are you doing?
I'm waiting for you.
I'm waiting for you. Sino you?
It's
Sino?
it's that he's going to be getting chocolate.
Si Lola Epe.
I'm waiting for you, Epe.
Yeah! Ay, maambon! Yeah, well. Maambon tita. Dito tayo. Oh. Video. Hello! Triplets! Asa na si Tito Bonbon? Tito Bon!
Ah, Tita Mama. I'm going to.
Don't leave a single doubt that today is the day that the Lord has created. Why would I sit around just waiting? Let's have a celebration. It's time to clap our hands and
Enzo!
stomp our feet.
Hi, video. Video.
If you believe that Jesus set you free, it's time to celebrate.
Wala nga, hindi yung anong fireworks ginamit, wala nga yun. Next week pa. Kailangan lang pa.
Just 2026 Breakthrough Generation, let's go! Pastor Jordan!
Let's give him a big round of applause. AJ Yances, good morning to you guys.
Good morning. Ay, nag-ready pa. Okay, everybody, let's go!
Araw, Ocho. Everybody! Aroneta! Ay, Cuneta pala, sorry. Ano man.
Someone who genuinely cares about the young generation. So without further ado,
Breakthrough Generation! Woohoo! Wow. Praise God. Wow, thank you, sweetheart. Bigyan niyo naman ng heart yung asawa ko. Yung tumitibok. Tugtug, tugtug. Wow, thank you. Praise God. Hello, Breakthrough Generation.
Yogi.
Emotions. Your body does not. Your brain does not. Let me just clarify two things when I say be real with God, okay? So first one is when I
he is a husband and a father of two, a full-time content creator who made his mark on the internet during the pandemic. His dark humor videos became viral sensations. His skits include throwback content like being emo, gangster, judge. At ng content niya ay wholesome at para sa glory ng Panginoon. This content creator who knows his limits, he brings clean, Christian-friendly humor to his audience. And he's living proof that comedy does. Si Mr. Russell Volante, aka Manoy!
Hello po. Okay lang, isa pa po pong palakpak. Medyo kinakabahan ako eh. Ang lakas pala ng ilaw dito, parang kukunin ako ni Lord eh. So, ako po si Manoy. Isa po akong content creator, influencer po ako since pandemic. So, at the end of the day, walang kwenta lahat yun. Bumili pa.
Grounded, faithful, and driven by purpose. So are you guys ready? Breakthrough Generation! Find out more.
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Tumayo tayo lahat sandali. Tayo ka sa upuan mo. Yung lalo niya gumagawa ng kalokohan para maging influencer. Pero, everybody say pero. Many years ago, may mga influencers na talaga eh. May mga leaders na talaga. Ang kagandahan lang sa mga influencers na to, they are poets, they are painters, they are dancers, they are singers. Okay, may gagawin tayo ngayong umaga na to. Okay ba kayo? Ha? Ay tamang kasama. At minsan nga, yung tamang kasama, hindi masayang kasama. Ito hindi. Tayo kasi gusto malaga masaya siya. Bakit BFFFF ko siya? Bakit? Kasi pag sinabi ko, pare, chochongki tayo ng katulogay lang yan, pare. Nako, hindi lahat ng masayang kasama ay tamang kasama. Kaya nga, dapat ang sinasamahan mo ay ang mga taong ito. Piliin mo ang mga taong dadaling ka sa paglilingkod, hindi yung isasama ka sa pagtalikod. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa church nyo, wala sa likod ha, sa una tayo, sa una. Pero pag may conference, nasa likod ka. Hindi pwede. Kung gusto mong mag-add ng value sa kanila, ikaw muna dapat may value. Bakit? Ito yung bakit? Because if you have good values on the inside, you need less validation from the outside. For I am also a man under authority, having soldiers under me. And I say to this one, go, and he goes. And to another, come, and he comes. And to my servant, do this, and he does it. Sabi ng centurion, huwag ka nang pumunta, Lord. Bakit? Ako rin eh, man under authority. Inuutosan ko takbo, talon, sige gulong, kapit sa kisame ng kuneta. Gagawin nila yan. Bakit? I am a man of authority. Ang sinasabi ni Christ, Lord, kung ako nga, tao lang, kayang magpasunod, ikaw pa kaya na Diyos ka? Hindi ka nila nakita, nakaalis ka, hindi ka rin napansin. Sa mata ng maraming tao, parang wala kang value. Pero alam mo, sa mata ng Diyos, sobra ang value mo. That's why He bought you with a price. And that price is His own life on the cross. Because He loves you, He loves you, He loves you, He loves you, He loves you. And many times, let me close by give you this last. That God uses messed up people to accomplish His glorious purpose. Ang kailangan lang gawin, umamin, Panginoon, hindi ko kaya. Sama-sama ng pinagdaanan ko. Alam mo, may tatlong Diyos. Come to Jesus now and get your healing.
Hello po. So, lunch break po ngayon sa Love's Truck. What are you eating?
I'm eating burger.
Burger. Meron ka bang natanggap na gift kanina?
Yes.
Tinago na ni Daddy. Mamaya. Mamaya na, tinago na ni Daddy. Enzo, are you enjoying?
Yes.
What did you do?
I'm like just laugh and tablet.
Tablet. Sino yung pinag-uusapan kanina?
Si
Sino?
Jesus. Jesus.
Leaders, Attorney Winnie and Maloy Solembides.
Hello, everybody! How are you doing this afternoon? Baka nung nakita ninyo ang poster ng Love Struck, akala ninyo si Beanie Maloy ang magsasalita. So at this point, we'd like to invite our eldest daughter, Bea, to talk about her breakthrough experiences.
Please welcome our eldest daughter, Bea Salumbides.
Magandang araw sa lahat ng nagmamahal!
Turn to your seatmate and ask them, do you feel the love? Good.
See, how about MTV Asia? There's only one VJ there who's hailed Asia's Most Wanted. But wait, turned singer because she married a singer, songwriter, and they've been together for like 3 or 4 years, now turning 4 years, and they're just touring around singing together happily like a happily married couple. Put your hands together and give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Palad. Here is Donita and Felson Palad.
Woo! Gising ba tayo? Gising ba tayo?
Ayos mo ba kayo mga kapatid? Pwede pong babaan yung ilaw? Kasi di ko sila makita, konti lang yan. Nandito ng 2019, Transform. Yung natatandaan nyo, nagsalita sila Richard Poon tsaka si Maricar. Ayun po yung pinakahuli na nagkoneta Astrodome ang ating movement. At after 7 years, marami pong nangyari.
Hindi masyadong matao yata ngayong Sabado na to, kaya
And the coral. Ha? Diyan? Saan ka punta, Enzo?
I going to grab and bus and uwi na.
Uwi na. Bye!
Bye.
Super. Enzo, bye!
And the fire truck.